It's proper paradise here. Like, can't believe it. Morning everyone.
Good morning.
We have come to Yeppoon, which is about 30 minutes away from Rockhampton in Queensland.
And it is a nice little slice of paradise. Absolutely gorgeous. About to head off to Great Keppel Island. And it is going to be a dandy little adventure.
Dandy.
Come along. Tropical vibes.
Like that, you can get
Oh my God,
that little
I'm
joint
so
straight in
excited.
through there.
I can't believe how amazing this is. The sand is so white. This is Tropical Vibes, run by Shane and Dot. That we
Shane
just
and Dot, awesome.
we were just having a chat to.
Tropical vibes,
Oh my
really lovely
God.
people.
They're
Super
all
nice people.
so nice. Yeah. I was just asking them all about how Great Keppel used to be a big party island, and they said that the old resort is just down here. So I just asked them what it was like, and Shane just said that he used to drive the boats back and forth. And I said, what sort of people did you have here? And he said it was all from like Kentucky, which is what, about 18-year-olds, did you
Yeah,
say?
18 to 35s.
Yeah, and up to like older people. I said, oh, did the parties go on all night and stuff like that? And he goes, oh yes. Oh, why don't they have anything like this in Australia? Anyways, enough of that.
Anyways.
So we're gonna go off to Monkey Beach right now, which Monkey Beach is a very popular area for snorkeling in Great Keppel Island. Then we're gonna go and have a little walkies over to Long Beach. I'm very, very excited. Can't wait to show you everything else that we see on Great Keppel Island today. So let's go.
This is one of the most pretty beaches I've ever seen.
Alright everyone, we made it to Monkey Beach. This beach is really well known for snorkeling, but unfortunately the weather is not on our side currently. It's getting a bit cloudy out, the water's looking a little bit murky, which is a shame, and we've carried our snorkel gear the whole way. But we're just going to go and have a little venture around and see if we do fancy to have a little dip. Alright guys, we just finished our hike to Monkey Beach and Long Beach. It's now 2:30 in the afternoon. I think we spent, how long do you reckon, Steve? It was about, probably about 4.5 hours.
Yeah?
Like walking and
Chilling.
chilling. Let's see how far we walked. Hang on, I got it on my Garmin. Alright, it says 11.2 k's. We're gonna go and head now to the resort on the island. We're gonna show you around and we're gonna get some food, and more importantly for Steve,
Yeah, that's the one.
So we're just finishing up our day trip at Great Keppel Island. Steve's got beer in his hand now, he's very happy.
I'm very happy, man. I tell you what, it's not a bad place for a bit of a sundowner. Look at that view. You can't argue. Come and check out Great Keppel Island, have a couple of yenders, enjoy the rest of the afternoon.
This is our day trip from Great Keppel. Hope you've enjoyed it today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on the below, and we'll be back very soon. See you later.